Don't let them take your home. What if the company trying to foreclose doesn't even have the legal right to do so? This is the real issue in so many foreclosure cases that we see today. Mortgage servicers like Shell Point, Wells Fargo, JP Morgan Chase, and Mr. Cooper, amongst others, often appear in court with stacks of paperwork, payment histories, and affidavits. But when you look closely, many of these records are based on assumptions instead of firsthand knowledge. Today, we are exposing the dirty tricks a lot of servicers use and what homeowners need to understand about them before it's too late. Let's start with the biggest lie in foreclosure. One of the biggest myths is this: if the servicer says you owe money, it must be true. That's not how litigation is supposed to work. Foreclosure cases are supposed to be decided on evidence, not assumptions, not computer screenshots, not hearsay. If you're in a judicial foreclosure state, this is easy. If you're in a non-judicial state, you're going to have to put up a fight and file an independent action to make them prove all this nonsense. Yet many foreclosure cases rely on records created by multiple companies over many years. And the witness testifying has no personal knowledge of how these records were created. That's a flaw you've got to attack. Here's some common servicer dirty tricks. Dual tracking. The servicer tells the homeowner to apply for a mortgage modification, never intending to go through with it, all while continuing the foreclosure behind the scenes. Payment manipulation. Payments are diverted into fees, suspense accounts, or escrow shortages instead of principal and interest like they're supposed to go. Force-placed insurance. Expensive insurance policies are added to inflate the alleged default amount. Fake authority. The servicer acts as if they have automatically represents the creditor without proving standing or authority. Incomplete records. The current servicer relies on records transferred from prior companies without independent verification. Here's why discovery matters in these cases. Most homeowners lose because they never force the servicer to prove their case. You must challenge standing, ownership, payment history, servicing history, servicing transfers, business records, and witness knowledge, firsthand witness knowledge. Without discovery, assumptions become facts in court. That's why you've got to challenge them. At Living Lies, we've spent decades helping homeowners and attorneys challenge foreclosure claims using evidence-based strategies that focus on proof instead of presumptions. Your home is your castle. We help you defend it. Learn more at the link in the comments or at livinglies.me or defendtheforeclosure.com. Or you can call us at 866-216-4126.